Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dig deep to uncover the best everyday products. And today, we're taking a look at what is possibly the best potatoes basket available online right now, the GGIU Stackable Wire Storage Basket. This isn't just a basic bin. It's a well-thought-out storage solution that combines durability, flexibility, and style in one compact package. Once it's up, the versatility of this basket truly starts to shine. Designed for multi-purpose storage, it fits effortlessly into any part of your home. In the kitchen, it holds everything from potatoes and onions to spice jars and snacks. In the pantry, it becomes a powerful organizer for food items. And it's not limited to the kitchen. Think bathroom toiletries, office supplies, or living room accessories. Wherever clutter exists, this basket handles it like a pro. Now let's talk about build quality. The basket itself is made from high-strength premium carbon steel, which means it's built to last. It has a matte finish that's not just aesthetically pleasing but also food-safe and resistant to rust or flaking. Not only does it add a warm, rustic look to the design, but it also gives you a strong surface you can actually place things on. Stack them up without fear of slipping or toppling over, thanks to the thoughtful non-slip feet design. These feet slot right into the wooden lid of the basket below, keeping the entire unit steady and secure. The breathable mesh wire structure is more than just a design choice. It's a smart way to extend the shelf life of your produce. Air circulation is critical for keeping fruits and vegetables fresh, and this basket allows for just that. Plus, the U-shaped opening on the front makes grabbing what you need quick and easy. No awkward digging through stacked items. Space saving is another huge benefit here. Each basket measures approximately 12 by 10 by 8.6 inches, large enough to hold a significant amount of kitchen goods. But more importantly, they're stackable. You can go vertical with your storage without sacrificing accessibility. They fold down compactly for efficient storage. In use, the baskets feel incredibly stable. Whether you're storing heavy root vegetables or lighter snack bags, the reinforced frame doesn't bend or wobble. It's exactly what you'd want in a long-term storage piece, reliable, attractive, and designed with the user in mind. So if you're tired of messy countertops, cluttered pantries, or hard-to-reach storage in your kitchen, this could be your solution. It's smart, sleek, and incredibly functional. Whether you're organizing a small apartment or optimizing a large kitchen, the GGIU Stackable Wire Storage Basket delivers both style and substance. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what other household items you want us to review next. Until next time, stay organized.